You're not in a gig or in a project or in an endorsement. What do you wear always? Kumbaga, yung comfortable wear.
So I wear
Fashion styles.
usually skinny jeans, sandal, skinny jeans, sandal, slippers. Really laid back. I'm really laid back actually.
Tapos you're doing workout now, right? You're preparing for a Cosmo something.
I should be. I'm scared. I haven't had time. So maybe in the next week I can start working out again. I have a month, so.
Are you ready to to do a shirt in front of many people, showing showing your body?
I'm a bit nervous. But I mean, Joseph Marco's a good friend of mine. He's done it before. He said it's really fun. So, and we're doing it together. So, we're both decided for September issue.